morning mga ka-travelers. Now I'm here walking to the street of Mariel here in Vergara, Malta. You see the street, very narrow. So yan yung kotse, pag nagkasalubong banggaan. Pero one way lang naman. So here's the other street. See, I'll just show you the street. Well, I don't want to video the other. Here's the street. The other street crossing. Yeah. So we'll go to straight. May pumpkins dahil November 1 ngayon. Pero dito may pasok kasi November 1. Hindi holiday ang November 1 dito. At November 2, it's not holiday here. So, diretso pa tayo. Okay, mga ka-travelers. Early in the morning. So just okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. God bless. Bye bye.